Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted Google Docs step by step. Accidentally deleting an important document can be stressful, but don't worry, Google Docs keeps deleted files in the trash for a certain period. First, open Google Drive and make sure you're signed in with the correct account. On the left-hand menu, click Trash. All deleted files within the last 30 days appear here. Scroll through the trash or use the search bar to find your deleted document. Typing part of the name makes it faster to locate. Right-click the document and select Restore. The document returns to its original location and can be edited as before. If you use Google Workspace and the document isn't in trash, your admin can recover it within 25 days. This is helpful for work or school accounts to prevent future losses, enable offline backup, create duplicate copies, or download important files as PDFs. These small steps save a lot of stress. And yeah, that's how to recover deleted Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.